Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be showing you how to download Poppo Live app on your mobile phone. Poppo Live is a live streaming app just like Bigo, Tango and TikTok Live, where you can earn gifts through live streaming. First, launch Play Store and then search for Poppo Live. Tap on Install. Once the download is completed, open the app and then sign up with your phone number or existing Google or Facebook account. Now select your country and then continue. Now you can join lives from others, or you can go live from your account. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.